Hello. Well, it is day 12 of the 30-day challenge, and I am live here, and I'm just gonna give it a few seconds to get people on board. And all right, so today I'm going to teach you a bead stitch, but I'm also going to show you how to make a pair of earrings again. So this one's going to be kind of short and quick. And so what we're going to make are some daisy chain earrings. So we're going to make the mate to this earring over here. But basically, here's what they look like. So I've done a couple different styles. And these are just fun and quick and easy, and you can make them up in lots of different colors. They're great for to make for a little girl. They're great little earrings for just someone a little bit younger maybe, but I mean I wear them, and I'm 40, so it doesn't really matter. Anyway, and you can do daisy chain in so many different ways. This is just one possible way that I'm showing you. And so what we are going to need are some 4mm bicones, and these are fuchsia Swarovski bicones over here. The other piece that you're going to need is 8 earrings. Hi Norma. And so, or 8 earrings, 8 beads, 8 seed beads. So these are 8. But these are dynamite, and they are 640A is the name of the beads. And that's it. So, and you'll need some thread. So I'm using 0.006 Wildfire thread, and I am using the green, which actually blends in really, really well with this golden color. You can't really see it, and looks great. So, oh, the other thing I guess you'll need are some ear wires if you have a set of those. And that's all you need. So what you're going to do is take some thread. You probably don't even need a full, I'd say about a foot or so. You don't need very much. And you're going to pick up 8 of our seed beads here. So, and then we are going to tie a knot. So we're going to form a circle to start with. And just do your basic square knot, nothing fancy. Guess you don't have to be trained in the art of knots, or be, I guess, sailors. Maybe they teach sailors how to do different types of knots. So there you are. Got your knot, and what you're going to do is just go all the way through the beads one more time, so you can move the knot away, and that way your thread can be, the tail thread can be cut. So, and these beads have nice big holes, so I should be able to go through the beads multiple times without any trouble. And so how is everyone doing this evening? Looks like there's about 5 or 6 people watching, at least that's what it's telling me. So if you'd like to say hello, please do. I'm in St. Louis, and this is your first time watching me, I'm JP or Jigisha. And I'm a beader, designer / teacher, which is why I do all these tutorials, because I like to teach. So once you have your 8 and you have a circle and you've reinforced, what you're going to do is pick up your, hi Camilla, I'm good. I'm doing really well. Oh, good to know, Norma. I'm so glad you're here today. And so what you want to do is basically to go directly across. We're going to go through these 2 beads. Hello, Henny? And you want to go in the same direction. So the way to know is your thread is going up. So you want to go into these 2 beads in the exact same direction. So just go through them. And we are going to pop the bicone into the center. And there you go. That is basically how you do a daisy chain. So now to add more beads, what you're going to do is, so each of our little daisies this little daisy here is 8 seed beads. So, and it's going to share 2 of the seed beads with the next daisy in the chain. So this time you're only going to pick up 6 beads. And you're going to go directly up into those 2 beads. And just like that. So again, you're coming up, so you're going to pick up your bicone. And you're going to go directly across the 2. So, and a good way to see this is that you're going to have 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So, and there you go. And just give everything a nice tug, and there's daisy number 2. And I'm just going to fix the thread a little bit because yes, you can totally use 11s. You might need to, if you're using 4mm bicones, you might need to do, instead of 8, like I have here, you might want to do 10 to see how they fit. So the big thing with a daisy chain is just getting that right fit. And I'm gonna, so I did a total of 5 daisies for this earring. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 more for you, and you guys can watch. And you'll totally pick this up. This is one of those, I love doing these. And you can make a lot of different things with it. You can make, one of the things I've done is make a wrap bracelet with this. And you just make a whole bunch of daisies and just keep going and going. Hey Kathy, how are you this evening? And so I'm going up into these 2 beads here. By the way, I forgot to mention this, so if this is your first time watching, if you see the red live button, that means you're watching live. If this red live box, not button, box, if it's not there, then you're watching it after I went live and you're watching a recorded version. So if you notice that I'm not talking back to you or replying to your comments, then it means that you're watching the recorded version. And I'm not ignoring you. That is not what I'm doing. I'm just not there, so I'm not seeing the comments. Facebook will give me notifications and I try to reply to the comments in written form. And that's your 3rd daisy. So we're going to keep going and make daisy number 4. And I'm picking up my 6 beads. And just go straight up into it. Hello, Yvette. Happy Saturday. I feel like we got a little gang going here. So I got Kathy, I got Norma, I got Yvette. And 1 more to go. So go straight up into those 2 beads. And there you have it. So pick up your 4mm bicone, and we are going to go directly across just like this. And the bicone falls in the middle. And you can, so like I said, this is something that's, what's nice about this is you can make this into a necklace and you just keep building if you have enough bicones. You can make it into a bracelet, and because it has a really nice drape, so you don't need to worry about drape or anything. It'll kind of, it's flexible and it'll flow. And of course you can stop right here and make a pair of earrings. I like making these up in different colors. So if you missed it in the beginning, I had a set that I made with pink and blue bicones with white silver lined 8/0 beads here. Exact same pattern that I just showed you. So for the last part, what we're going to do is make the loop for our ear wire. And so all you need to do is, you just need 4 beads instead of the 6 that we've been picking up. So I'm just going to pick up the 4. And you just go back through those same exact 2 beads and just make sure there's very little slack in the thread here. So I'm just tightening up, and then just go back through the beads again. So I'm just going to go through them and reinforce our little loop. And you can tie some 1/2-inch knots as you go too. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then keep reinforcing. Oops, almost stabbed myself there. So has anyone here done daisy chain before, or is this your first time seeing this particular bead stitch? And there we have it. So I'm going to grab my scissors and trim our threads. I'm using Wildfire. It's 0.006 and it's the green. Let me grab the spool here. There you go. So that's the one I'm using. Oh, first time. So what do you think? Do you like it? It's actually, I kind of love this stitch because if I'm just kind of wanting to just grab some beads and just play, I always like to do this one because it's just quick and easy and I can get it done quickly. I'm just grabbing my ear wire here and all right, oops, grab it. Here we go. There's our pair. Really cute, fun pair of earrings to do. And there you are. So take a look. Oh yeah, I stabbed myself so many times. It's yeah, I'm surprised I don't have more scars on my little fingers or something. Okay, I was just looking to see if I could find my other, I had a bracelet that I made using this same daisy chain, but I seem to have misplaced it. Anyway, I hope you guys like this, and please share with someone who you think might want to learn how to do daisy chain. And do you guys have any other questions? Oh yeah, definitely come back. Yeah, the videos are all posting on the JRP Designs page, so you guys can always come back and watch them. And I'm trying to title them by the day, so day 12. So I guess I'm putting in what stitch I'm doing. So if you come back and do day 12, daisy chain, or at least just the stitch name, I think you'll be able to find them easily too. Anyway, well, thank you guys for joining me this evening, and enjoy the rest of your Saturday night, and I will be back tomorrow. Same time, 9 p.m. Central. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.